Alright, so we need some braces up here on the strut towers. So made us a little template here. We got a nice little plate so we can wrap these corners. Went ahead and transferred it onto here. We'll get these guys cut out and start bracing them. Alright, so now we get some radius on these guys, so just gonna come over here to the brake and do a little bending. See what that did for us. So we need to come back one more bend on it. There we go. We got one cut bent up. Now we just got to make 3 more. Alright, so got us all our strut plate braces bent up and sitting in place. Give this top plate some support. Make them nice and rigid. Ready to clean them up and get them welded on there. Alright, got the braces welded up on the strut plates up here. Got some wheels, tires sitting on this thing. Got Henryetta on the ground. Kind of getting an idea what she's gonna look like. She's been up in the air for so long, forgot how low this car really sits to the ground. Alright, got the dash kicked out on some spacers. Got Kristy in here, in her seat, with console in here, trying to fit everything up to her. What do you think?
I think it's going to be awesome.
Got the front clip on the car, got the strut towers in, motors in it, core support in, getting this thing actually fit and almost coming together. Ready to get the actual wheels and tires on this thing and go drive it before long. tappy tappy. Some LS head stud voodoo.
Ready?
Typically start at the outside, go around and keep closing the circle up.
Okay.
Okay?
Around the outside, work my way in.
Yep.
All right, ready?
Mm-hmm. Stop. Concentrate more
Right there.
in this area
Okay.
and work in,
Okay.
or I guess it would be up to you.
Ready?
Yep.
We'll give it a whack.
Okay.
Slowly,
It's
but
coming, but
it's coming.
it's got a ways to go.
All right.
All right. A few hours in this weekend, but look at that. Henrietta's on the ground, sitting on her own suspension, some quarters on it. Thing's starting to look like a car. Chris has been busy stripping this thing away. Dad's been busy beating on these junk quarters, getting them to look like something decent again. So I actually have something to work with here. A little bit interior, we split the dash. It's about how far we're gonna actually end up moving the dash back. So it'll have a nice look in there. She's got a car here again. Open the hood up. Actually got a motor in it. Some suspension. Still a lot left to go, but it's looking a lot better. But for now, that's all the time we got for this weekend. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share with all your friends, and we'll see you guys next weekend.
Bye.